dear friends and my students. This is Balachandar, Maths teacher. Last class I uploaded videos related to algebra, especially polynomials. We learnt what is polynomial and what are the algebraic expressions are not a polynomial. These things we have learned in last video. Now we are going to discuss about polynomials, types of polynomials based on terms and based on degree. So first one, polynomial types based on terms. Second, based on degree. So before going to learn these types of polynomial, we should know about what is terms and what is degree. Terms, for example, x plus y minus 5. This is a polynomial. Here there are three terms. Sir, how do we define the terms? The arithmetic operators define the terms. So this arithmetic operator define two terms. X is the first term and y is the second term, and this minus. So this is the third term. There are three terms. So plus and minus only define the terms. What about the multiplication and division? X into y. You know very well. X into y, which is equal to xy. X into y is equal to xy. So this is single term. X by y. This is also single term. But this plus and minus only define the terms of the polynomials. I hope you understand this. What about multiplication and division? It does not define the terms of the polynomial. Right. So how many terms are there? There are three terms. First term x, second term y, and third term minus 5. So this is constant, you know very well. This minus 5 is constant, and x and y are variables. X and y are variables, right? So terms. Next, degree. What is mean by degree? The highest power, for example, x cube plus x plus 1. X cube plus x plus 1. Here, terms, there are three terms. But degree, highest power. Here, x has the power 1. Exponent is 1. And this x has the power 3. So, comparing to this one have the highest power. That highest power is known as degree. So, degree is nothing but highest power. So what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of the polynomial is 3. Degree of this polynomial is 3. So how many terms of this polynomial? There are 3. Here how many terms? There are 3 terms. I hope you understand this. Next, terms, based on terms, types of the polynomial. X plus 1. How many terms are there? There are 2 terms. The terms are x and 1. Yes. X, y. How many terms? Only 1 term. That is xy. So name of the polynomial. This is called the monomial. If the polynomial has only 1 term, that is called a monomial. If the polynomial has 2 terms, that is called a binomial. You know that the first 2 letters, it refers by. By means 2. By means 2. So there are 2 terms, therefore we say this is binomial. Mono means 1. So 1 term means monomial, binomial means there are two terms, and three terms, x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z. There are three terms. This is known as trinomial. So generally we say these are polynomials. If the term four terms we have means the polynomial contains four terms. If five terms means the polynomial contains five terms. Like that we can say. But there are three terms we use. So first monomial, second one binomial. Mono means one, so only one term, monomial. Bi refers to two, binomial, and tri means three, tricycle, auto, like that. There are three wheels. Here bicycle, two wheels. So binomial. Mono one, so monomial, like that. So based on terms there are three types. First one monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Next, based on degree. Based on degree. I told you degree means highest power. Degree means highest power. Let us consider the example. First one, x plus 1. X plus 1. Here, based on terms, this is binomial. Based on terms, it is binomial because there are two terms you know very well. But based on degree, this is linear polynomial. Based on degree, this is linear polynomial. The highest power or the degree of the polynomial is 1. That is called the linear polynomial. So if degree is 1, that is linear polynomial. Second, x square plus 3 or x square minus 5. Minus 5x plus 2. X square minus 5x plus 2. Here, based on terms, there are three terms. So it is trinomial. Based on degree, here the highest power is 2. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is 2. If degree is 2, that is called a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. This is linear polynomial. This is quadratic polynomial. Third one very easy. X cube or may take y cube plus 3y minus 5. Y cube plus 3y minus 5. Here there are three terms and the variable is y. Variable is y. The highest power is 3. Therefore degree is 3. Degree is 3. If degree is 3, that is called a cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. I hope you understand this. Let us consider the first example. Linear. The highest power is 1. Highest power is 1 means degree is 1. Therefore linear polynomial. Second one, highest power is 2, so degree is 2, therefore it is quadratic polynomial. Third one, highest power is 3, so degree is 3, cubic polynomial. If the degree is 4, that is called biquadratic. That is called a biquadratic polynomial. Yes. And one more important thing, here the polynomial have the same variable x. Here only one variable, that is x. Here also x is the variable. X is the variable. Only one variable. This is the polynomial of variable x. This is the polynomial of variable x. This is also. This is the polynomial of variable y. Polynomial of variable y. For example, xy square plus 3y cube x. Xy square. This is very important. Xy square plus 3y cube x. 3y cube x. This is also a polynomial, but there are two variables. The variables are x and y. Variables are x and y. Can you find the degree of this polynomial? How can we find? If the variables occurring, if the variables are in product form, this x and y are in product form, means we should add their powers. So if you add this power 1, this 2 means 2 plus 1, 3. So here 3, but here y power 3, x power 1. So here power, the highest power is 4. Actually degree is 4. Therefore this is biquadratic polynomial. Hope you understand. Listen carefully. The polynomial is xy square plus 3y cube x. There are two variables x and y, namely x and y. Here, how can we find the degree of the polynomial? If the variables are exist in the product form, product means x into y, like that, x into y square is given. Here y cube into x, like that. So we can add their powers. Here x power 1, 1 plus 2, like that. We just consider. Here y cube into x. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So the highest power is 4. Actually degree is 4. Degree is 4. This is called a biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. See, it is very easy concept. Try to understand what is given and how can we identify the variables and how can we identify the degree. If you know the basic concept, easily you can identify. Here it is a polynomial, but there are two variables. Here also polynomial, single variable. So one variable polynomial, two variable polynomial, three variable polynomials also there. So the next class we are going to learn types of polynomial, especially two variables and three variables. After that we are going to write its x plus 2. I will give you an example. When you take the variable, the number 6, it can be expressed as in the form of 2 into 3. 6, it can be expressed as in the form of 2 into 3. Like that, the quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, polynomial of degree 4 can be written as its linear factor. So, that's it. This number can be written as 2 into 3. This 2 and 3 are the factors of this number 6. Linear factors, we cannot write in its linear form. Actually, this 2 and 3 is least form. Hereafter, we cannot simplify it. Like the quadratic polynomial and the cubic polynomial can be written as in its linear factors form. How can we find? We will discuss in next class. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.